Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about Mojo, the so-called Python killer that's been turning heads in the AI and developer community. But is Mojo really going to replace Python for AI workloads? Let's find out. First off, what is Mojo? Mojo is a new programming language designed by Modular Inc. that combines the ease and readability of Python with the speed and low-level control of C and Rust. That means you can write high-performance AI code without having to ditch the Python-like syntax you already know and love. So why do people say it's a Python killer? The big deal is Mojo's performance. While Python is famously easy to write, it's not exactly known for speed, especially when it comes to compute-heavy AI tasks. Mojo, on the other hand, is built for performance from the ground up. It compiles down to machine code, giving you speed boosts that can reach 10 to even 100 times faster than vanilla Python in certain scenarios. Let's look at a quick example. Imagine you're running a matrix multiplication operation for a neural network. In Python, that could take several seconds or even minutes for massive data sets. With Mojo, you get native speed with parallelization baked in, making it a game changer for things like AI model training, data processing, and inference. And here's the best part. Mojo is fully compatible with Python libraries, so you don't have to throw away your existing Python code. You can gradually migrate performance-critical parts to Mojo while keeping everything else the same. But is Mojo production ready yet? Not quite. It's still early days. Right now, you need an invite for the compiler, and there's limited IDE support, but the roadmap is promising. The goal is to have Mojo become the go-to language for AI engineers who want Python simplicity and C++ level performance. So, is Mojo the future? Time will tell, but it's definitely one of the most exciting developments in programming right now. If you want to see more deep dives like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, would you switch from Python to Mojo for your AI projects? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.